Yep.
Okay, hi, my name's Paul Felty, and I've come up with a new design for skateboard trucks. They're quick release wheels. I came up with the idea about 7 to 10 years ago, and the benefits are no slip axle, being able to change all your wheels in under 60 seconds, and yeah, no mushrooming of axles, no nuts, and no tools to have to replace them. So now, you want to come in? You come. This is a normal axle right here, one with a nut and to hold the wheel on, and this is my axle with no retainer at all on it. Alright, so right now, as you can see, these wheels will not come off at all, won't fall off, won't slide off. If you pull the lever, they will. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and change the set of wheels real quick just to show you how long it takes for each set. So I have two wheels here with the skate key. You got the whole thing? You can see the whole thing? Alright, so here's these two. Alright, now those are done. Won't come off. Now, from my understanding, talking with people, they have to adjust their wheels to get them to the right adjustment. With my trucks, you do not have to. I think that is the right adjustment for that one. Now the other one. As you can see, quite some difference. I'm not sure if that's too tight or too loose. But I believe that's right, where mine should never need adjusting. So anyway, now I'm going to show some videos that I took at skateboard parks of people riding them and changing them, and also their thoughts on it. Thank you.